to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you're watching this video. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a day in my life vlog. It's a winter vlog. It's winter, guys. I still can't believe autumn is over, but it's winter, and I'm just gonna take you guys through a day in my life being on a gap year, because I'm on a gap year. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. It helps my channel. Thank you. And comment down below what type of videos you guys would like to see, because obviously I'm on a gap year, so I've got more free time on my hand, and I know I'm not consistent with my videos. Even though I've got so much free time, I know that's really bad, but I'm gonna try to be consistent starting from January. That's the goal. So many video ideas. I'm just like really lazy and I need to like post them. Anyway, that's what this video is gonna be. So this video is gonna be a day in my life, and I hope you guys enjoy watching.
Hey guys, I'm walking to go pick up my short and sweet CD, and it's raining. That's what I'm doing right now. And when I get home, I obviously want to play the music because that's fun. And I really wish I was going to a separate concert, but I'm not, because it's sold out and it's super pricey, and I'm broke. I'm just a broke 19-year-old. I was like, I can't believe I'm 19. It's crazy. I have like 10 more minutes of walking. I just want to go home and sleep. Almost 1 o'clock. I'm so tired and so gloomy outside because it's raining. Of course it's raining. I just saw this house with like the Christmas decoration outside, and I'm like, oh, that's so cute. I love it. Like, I wish that was me, but I don't even do Christmas, so. Hey guys, welcome to the haul section of my video, because we're doing a haul because I just came back from my walk. I can explain. I did go on a walk because it was like 20 minutes walking to go pick up my Sabrina Carpenter CD, short and sweet CD. She's so cute, she's so pretty. So glad I got her. She's gorgeous. I can't wait to play her. I'm gonna play her soon. But I went to pick this up, and where I went, there was an Audi there, and there was owned by Gens, and it was like Greg's, Subway, you know, there was like shops. So like, okay, it's raining, I don't want to go in the rain, so I'm gonna pop into the shops, and I'm gonna show you what I got from the shops. This is hot chocolate buttermilk. Basically, you get a mug of warm milk, and then you like pop it in the warm milk, and it kind of dissolves, and it's like hot chocolate. It's hot chocolate in a bottle, like a bath bomb. That's what that is. I've actually never had one of that, so I'm super excited to try for the first time ever. I don't actually drink hot chocolate, so this is like a gamble. I could always give it to like someone else in the house to drink it if I don't like it. And next I got is this Christmas tree baking kit. I'm so excited to do this. I've never done this before. I can make that. Like, that's so cute. That just looks so cute. I'm so excited to do it. Honestly, no comment. Also, I wanted to get the gingerbread house to do, but I didn't get it, so I might end up going back for that eventually. I got some candy canes. This is like my second pack of candy canes this Christmas. Last Christmas, gave you my heart. Then we have a pack of chocolate items, just random chocolate. I love chocolate. Who doesn't? I got this for my little sister. It's sweet with like the plastic ring we used to have when we were kids. Like, we had this when we were kids, okay? I got Monster drink. I got the mango loco because this is like my favorite one. This is like the only flavor I actually like. To be fair, it's still one I've really tried. And I got a pack of Strepsils. I got a mini keyring charm, like a pack of it. This is my favorite one, the pink boba. That's why I actually got it for this one. And I just got like, it comes with 4. I got like for £2. This is such a good deal because it's like 50p each, and that's really good. And I could always like give one to my sister, give one to my mom, that sort of thing. I'd have to use it all by myself, but I thought this one is so cute. I love boba. Like, you don't know, I love boba so much. Boba is so freaking good. It's so good. I got so much. I got boba points, and different number of points you can get like different things, and right now I can get a free top-in, like a free extra top, because obviously you always get like the top-in, you pick like the tapioca or like the poppy balls, so I can get like a free one. I'm like, girl, and it expires like towards the end of this month, so I need to go do that. I got this cup that comes with like a stationery set inside. I need a drinking cup, and I just saw this and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this because I could drink my water with this, because I'm using like a bottle in my bed, and I'm like, I don't want to use a bottle. I should have cups. I already have cups, okay, but I just don't feel like using those ones. I needed a new one. I need something new, so I got this. The cup comes with a pen, a sharpener, that's a sushi, an eraser. She's cute. She's so cute. I love her. I have a pencil. She's a pencil. Next we have this post-it note, and I think it's so cute. The cutest thing. A little like, sushi notebook. This is so cute. What is this Lineage dupe? Lineage. I don't know. Dupe lip mask. That's for my sister. She's 6. Okay, she's 6 going on 7 in like 7 days. She doesn't need the real thing, okay? Also because I'm broke. I'll take one of this because I want one of it. I never use lip mask. Maybe I should start using it. This one is sweet strawberry, sweet mango, and papaya. Where I've not had papaya in so long. Very berry, blackberry, grapefruit, and orange. I look, want the pink one, but she's probably not gonna give me the pink. I had delivery from Waterstones, so I'm gonna show you guys the books I got from Waterstones. The first one is the Rom-Comers by Catherine Center. This is a new release that just came out this year. I'm not sure what month it did. I know it's 2024 release, so I'm super excited to read it because I enjoy reading our books. Okay, they're fun to read. They're like just fun to read. And yeah, that's why I got it, and it's so pretty. It's pink, it's pretty, and she's cute. I want to get The Bodyguard by her, and I have Hello Stranger in like the big paperback, but I want to get it in regular paperback because they have like for £3 like deluxe. I'm thinking of doing that. Also, I didn't get a ticket to the Lana Del Rey concert for 2025, and I'm so sad about it. Like, I'm still like not recovered from it. I don't think I'm gonna recover from it anytime soon because I'm really sad about it. I wanted to go so bad. Also, I don't have money. What was I thinking? Like, I can't even afford the ticket. The second book I got is Spectacular by Stephanie Garber. This is a novella that follows the Carnival series. If you've read the Carnival series, then you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't read it, why have you not read it? Sorry about the light, guys. It's raining outside. But this is the cover I got, and it's so pretty. And it has like diagrams inside. It's such a pretty book. There's like drawings inside. I think that's so cute, and I love it. Do you see that? It's just gorgeous. I have like a little update. It's currently 5:35 p.m. now, and what I need to do is I'm currently cleaning up my desk because I've just got like a bunch of stuff, and like the top of my shelf also is missing. I'm also watching YouTube at the same time. Once I finish cleaning, I wanna journal because I was making a journal page and I need to like complete the page, and like I wanna make like new journal pages because I love journaling, but I don't do it as often as I should. And I also want to finish the book I'm reading. I'm currently reading The Christmas Tree Farm by Laurie Gilmore, and I just want to finish it because I have like a quarter of it left. I was thinking that I wish I did Vlogmas this year, even though I don't celebrate Christmas, but Christmas is still like a fun time and there are fun activities you could do. I missed the first dates. Today's the 5th of December, by the way. I'm reading The Christmas Tree Farm by Laurie Gilmore, and I only have this much left, which is something I could finish. I could read that in like an hour. I need to try to finish that as soon as possible because I need to stop procrastinating. I've been reading this book for like 2-3 days now. I don't know why it's taking me so long. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. It's not loading. Why is it not loading? I'm trying to do my ECAS application and it's not letting me log in. I'm reading The Christmas Tree Farm now. A little update. Page on page 247 and there is 342 pages. I have a little bit of 100 pages left to read, and I don't know what happened to the back of my book there, but that's so annoying, but it's fine. This will be like my first Christmas book this season. I'm so excited.